All right, so how you remove these is actually quite simple. So it's going to be on a track back here, so it's actually can move up and down. I have all of these wires removed. How you do that is there's going to be screws here. You're just going to loosen that and pull those out. And you want to make sure that you either label, or they should be labeled on here where they're going to go, because you're going to have to put those back into place. So to remove this is called an overload. Same kind of thing as we did before. And now this is just going to slide out like that. We're just going to get that out of the way. Now you can kind of see better view how it's on this track here. So how we're going to get that out of the track is, now that it's free, we can kind of slide it around. Underneath the bottom, there's going to be a little peg, so you're going to pull that and it's going to pop right off. So this is what we're doing. Popping it in here, and that's what's going to lower this to get it off of that for you. And to put the new one on, pretty much you're just going to slide that top part on here like that, and then it's going to push in, it's going to snap into place. That's not going anywhere.